Saturday morning in New York. Just went to the Salmagundi Club last night for the opening. Woke up to this in the morning. Not your usual crowded New York streets. Just on my way to the Salmagundi Club. A little bit different from my walk last night. I was able to walk in just a suit. Today I'm all bundled up. It's only a short walk, and it's kind of fun for this guy from Arizona. As you can see, it really just flying. So we'll keep braving the elements, and I'll keep you informed. Here we are at the Salmagundi Club. Just getting ready to go on in. Looking up the street here. And it's really coming down. Interesting day for an opening. Just have a look in the galleries there. This is just gorgeous. What a beautiful place this is. Look at these beautiful paintings all the way up the stairs. Fantastic. What a treat. This area is really beautiful, and look here above the doors. So all these palettes, old palettes from famous artists. What a collection. Think of all the fabulous paintings that have come off those palettes. Wow. Wow, this is the Metropolitan Museum of Art. What a fabulous room. Look at the pieces in this room. I'm here on my own. A lot of people have stayed home with the snow. But even though I'm on my own, I feel like I should whisper. It's such a beautiful